Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today we will discuss the physics section of IIT JEE 2023 problem. So a mass M is attached to strings as shown in figure. The spring constant of these two springs are K1 and K2. For the frictionless surface, the time period for the oscillation of mass M. So they are asking about the time period of oscillation. So now the mass is kept in between spring. If we displace mass by x in right side direction, so the spring K2 will be elongated by x and spring K1 is compressed by x. So in a spring, if there is elongation in this direction, so the reaction force acting opposite to this direction. Similar case when if we compress the spring by x in this direction, positive x direction, so the force acting opposite to this direction, and the force is K1x for K1 spring and this for K2. Here the displacement for the both spring is same K1 because both are connected with the same mass. So if we draw free body diagram, so minus K1x and K2x, K1x, and this is our direction. If we apply F net is equal to mass into acceleration, so the force acting in this direction, this is negative direction, this is, if we assume this is positive, this is negative, so MA is equal to minus K1x minus K2x. MA is equal, if we MA plus K1 plus K2 into x. So acceleration we can write the mx double dot plus K1 plus K2 into x is equal to 0. So this is basic equation of vibration. So from here omega and natural frequency is equal to K equivalent by mass. Here K equivalent is K1 plus K2 by mass M. This is our frequency, but in question ask about time period. So time is equal to 1 by 2 pi omega n. Time period is equal to 2 pi by omega n. So 2 pi and omega n is root K1 plus K2 by m. So if we simplify this, 2 pi root m by K1 plus K2 time. So the correct answer for this is fourth one, m by K1 plus K2. Thank you very much for watching this video.